If you've ever wanted a cursor that was bigger and a brighter color so you could see it easier, this is a great tutorial for you. So if you'll just go down to the bottom window in the corner for searching and type cursor, you're going to see that it says system settings for your cursor. You're going to click on that for me. When you arrive, you will see about halfway down the page one that has color and a green arrow next to it. Just click that one. And then it's going to give you an option of colors that you can make your, I'm going to select purple. And then the size of it is above those choices here, and it's a slider bar, so you just click on it and make it bigger. So what's happening is going from the normal size to a larger size. And I'm going to take it up to about here. And then when I'm done, this is what I have. That's how easy it is to make one of those. Make a change. You can have it any color, you can make it bigger. Hope this was helpful for you.